The Art of Blessing by Dennis Merritt Jones. Most blessings are done quietly, in the silence of one's own mind and heart. Most often, others don't even know about it. How a blessing is done is not as important as the fact that it is done mindfully. There is nothing magical or mystical about conferring a blessing. It is simply confirming the presence of God, divine spirit, at the center of that which is being blessed. Masters, teachers, sages, and saints from every spiritual tradition have used blessings as a way to consecrate, sanctify, purify, and heal. Anyone can offer a blessing. Ernest Holmes, author of Science of Mind, defined a blessing as constructive thought directed toward anyone or any condition. He says, "You bless a man when you recognize the divinity in him." We can always bless what's good in our lives, but blessings can become even more meaningful if we remember to bless the bad times as well, when we most need to remember the truth that good is present then and there too. Getting in the habit of embracing daily blessings is a good spiritual practice as we evolve and go forth and bless our world as we have been blessed. It's a matter of remembering that the real blessing has already been bestowed, the gift of life itself. Take a moment to contemplate this and seal it in consciousness by silently affirming, "I am blessed and I am a blessing."